So Nala's gonna be our demo dog for an ear cleaning.
Q-tips.
Q-tips,
Cotton balls.
positive reinforcement. So get something that's your dog's favorite treat, just so you make it a positive experience. We have a toothbrush, toothpaste.
And obviously crystal-infused water.
Crystal-infused water to keep her calm and happy.
Obviously.
This is a good general cleaner just to break up wax. This ear cleaner, so Triz Ultra Plus Keto, is great for dogs that are very likely to have yeast infections. So if you smell a really musty, kind of nasty ear, this is your go-to. So first thing you want to do is get a good high quality cleaner. And then you're going to open up the ear flap, take the bottle, put it right up to the entrance, just gently squeeze it in until it's almost brimming out to the outside.
So what if your dog shakes?
Yeah, so if your dog shakes, you may want someone else just to kind of help reassure, hold their head still. She's very good at it. Filled up her ear canal. Now I'm gonna take my thumb and index finger and just do a nice massage. Nice gentle massage. Sometimes they'll lean into it because it feels nice. And this is the noise you wanna hear.
Ew.
That means you're doing a good job. So we're gonna massage for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take my cotton ball, put it into the ear, twist, and there, out that comes. And then I like to do it a few times until I'm getting a nice clean cotton ball. Sometimes I'll even put the cotton ball in, massage a little bit more, just to help get that fluid from down in the canal. And then she is gonna wanna shake it out, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna let her, because that helps to get the debris that's further down in the ear canal. Good girl, out. And then we wanna give her some positive reinforcement so that she loves her ear cleanings, which is why at this point she's trained enough that I can do this solo. So this is the important thing. You guys do see me digging down in a little bit. My rule of thumb is if you can see where you're going, you can use a Q-tip. So if you look into her ear, there's grooves right here. We can wipe those out. We're getting some material down in this crevice as well. All of these little nooks and crannies, you want to get all of those. What you don't want to do is stick the Q-tip down beyond where your eye can see, because that puts her, or your other kiddos, of course, at risk of injuring the ear.
So that was an in-depth ear cleaning.
Yes.
Should groomers do this on their clients all day, every day?
So I am a proponent for it for after baths, because if by any chance there's any bath water that gets in, you want to make sure that you're getting that out, because otherwise they're going to develop an ear infection anywhere from 2 to 7 days after.
Okay.
And as a doctor, that's what I see a lot.
So maybe this should be something that a pet parent does, not a groomer does.
It could be both.
It could be both, but maybe if you're a groomer and you're watching this and you're like, oh shit, I got water in the ear.
Yes.
Do a flush.
Yes.
Make sure that you get this should be in the ear, not water, because the bacteria in the water is what causes the ear infection.
Exactly.
This is something I just learned from you recently. As a groomer, I'm okay to just wipe what I can see without
You can just wipe
flushing.
what you can see. The other thing you can do too is you can take a cotton ball, soak it with cleaner, and this is how I clean cat's ears. And then we'll do this on this side, although we already cleaned it. You can actually just put this in and clean like this as well. Because you'll see, you'll still get some debris out. And you want to clean until you bring this out and there's nothing. You don't have to dry the ears after, and they will shake their heads a little bit after too, but now you can see she's nice and clean. So that means we're all done. Thank you for your help. Now,
bye.
You need it?
There she goes.
Where'd you go?
We're about to brush her teeth, and I guess that's a no from this kid.
Good girl. In your bed? Good girl. Sit. There you go. Thank you. First step is getting the proper equipment.
Okay.
You want a toothbrush. I like the double-sided ones. CET makes this, NZet makes it too. You can find them really easily online. And then your toothpaste of choice. CET is a great brand, but different flavors for different kiddos. I like the poultry, and so does Nala.
Have you tasted the toothpaste?
You know, I haven't, but she loves it. Here, we'll do a little demo just with the toothpaste. Nala.
Oh, delish.
She loves it.
So maybe this would be a nice training thing for people to do before the teeth brushing.
Get them used to it.
There you go.
Even if you just start with putting toothpaste on and just letting them lick it off of the brush. See, she's going for it. She wants it. So what I like to start off by doing is lifting the lip, and this is what we were talking about. You want to make sure you're getting a good look at everything. Please don't judge me for her teeth.
I'm not judging.
And then you want to try to get it on all of the surfaces to start, right? So we're going to spread the toothpaste around.
Gonna.
Yeah. And then brushing wise, you want to have a 45-degree angle and you want to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then down. And that's a set for that set of teeth. Then we're gonna brush the canine, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, down. Then I'm gonna turn it around and come this way, same thing. And you're gonna wanna, I always pull her lip a little bit just to make it easier. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, down. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, up, because we're on the bottom teeth now. You wanna get those little canine teeth. This is my favorite part.
And I'm really wanting people to pay attention to your handling. No dog is gonna just chill when you do this.
Yeah.
So you
just gotta
do
go
have
with
to
it.
just have them deal with it for the time being. But if you can make it as positive as an experience as possible with treats, and maybe even do it in bits. Like if you just wanna do half the mouth, call it a day.
Okay. Give her a break, let her get her favorite part. She
Good
loves to lick
friend.
it after. Good girl.
What a good friend.
And then we're gonna get those bottom teeth.
I like that. So you just can give her a little break.
Yeah, give
in
her a
that
break.
way. So you go back and forth, back and
Back and
forth,
and then
down.
up because
Or
we're,
up.
only because
Okay.
we're on the bottom teeth. Sorry,
Okay,
it's hard to see.
gotcha.
And then lower canine, we'll do the same thing. And I'll kind of hit the incisors at the same time. And then you just have to work with them like you were saying. So, you know, she's getting a little bit squirrely. I give her a break.
I love
You're
that.
such a good girl. Yeah.
I love
Should we
that.
brush your little lower incisors? Because there's already toothpaste there, so we can get those.
And you just like pull the lips open with
Exactly.
your fingers.
Good girl.
Do people need to wear gloves for this?
They don't. I like to just because, to be honest, my nails are a little bit long right now, and I want to make
Okay.
sure that I don't cause her any injury. And
Oh.
then anything you can do, or if you see like a little area here, you can give it a little extra attention. You did so well, but that's it. And then she gets to lick the toothbrush, and for her, that's all the reward she needs. But
What a trooper.
just follow it with something else.
I love that you have treats with her.
Yeah, treats are very important for any sort of training.
And water. Amazing.
Good girl.
Good girl, Nala.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative. We'll just keep coming back with more and more to help you and your pet stay healthy and happy.
Sugar dumpling, you're my baby. I love you in every way.